Okay guys, I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit in your Xpress account using MoMo. So let's get started. You want to open your Ecobank app. Open it up, and I'm now going to log in. I already logged out, so I'm going to log in. I'm going to choose no, I'm new to Ecobank. Choose my country and enter my phone number to log in. Please make sure you don't add 0. When you're logging in, don't add a 0. If you add the 0, you might have some errors that you will not know about. So just start with a 5, 4, and the rest. Okay, don't start with any 0 when you're entering your number. Okay, so I've been able to log in into my account. I want to show my balance. So my balance is 16 cedis. I have 16 cedis, 60 pesos in my account. So I'm going to make a deposit into the account using MoMo. Go to your dialer. I'm using MTN, so I'm going to use my MTN MoMo to deposit into my account. Dial *107#. Make sure the number that you used for the account is the number that you are going to deposit from. Okay, the number that you used to create the account, that's the number you're going to use to deposit into your account, because your bank account, the Xpress account, will be associated with your MoMo for that particular number. So if you don't have MoMo on that number, it's not going to work. So my number, this is the number I used for my account. So I'm going to use that same number to deposit into my account. So I dial *170#. I send. I choose 5, financial services. I go ahead and choose 1, bank services. Choose 1 again, transfer to bank. I choose 8, Ecobank. And so as you can see, it pops out with my account details for the Xpress account I created with the app. Okay, so I'm going to choose 1. That's my bank account number and my name. I'm going to cover that so you don't see. I choose 1. It says amount, put in like let's say some 50, or let me say just some 10 cedis for demonstration. So it asks for my PIN. It's asking for my PIN. Put in my PIN in. You don't want to see that. And it says payment made, your balance is whatever. So the payment is done. And this comes with no charge. Okay, if you deposit from here to your from your MoMo to your wallet, it's free. It comes with no charge. So let's check our account if we have the money in there. Let's see how much. So I show my balance, and now my balance is 26 cedis, 60 pesos. So the money has reflected, the deposit is done. The next thing is you want to create a credit card with it. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.